Have you ever wondered how you can fade in and fade out your video or turn it from black to white, like this? Or even this? I got you, I'm gonna show you. This is Adobe Premiere Pro black and white video effect completely for free in 2024. Okay, so open up Adobe Premiere Pro, go to your project and drag on the video that you want to use. In this case, I'm using an animated video. Okay, so the first step is to go under Limitry Color. If you do not have this, then go under to Window and click Limitry Color, and then this window should pop up. And then once it is popped up and the video layer is selected, see it's highlighted, and then it's unhighlighted, you go over, you click Basic Correction, and then you'll have a whole bunch of tabs list of options. Click the creative, and once this is here, you have look, it's none, but when you click it, well, now you have like a ton of other looks, so click monochrome. Bam! You see what that did, or did you see what that did? See, it's color black and white. You can click it one more time, you can click monochrome again, it's a little bit punchy or contrast. You click it one more time, the third option, and then, well, I mean, it's kind of black and white. So that's how you make a black and white effect in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, or I'll eat your chocolate.